Hey everyone. So apparently Facebook has changed their lives and how to do them. So let's hope this one works. Hi everyone, I'm Penny Handsome. I'm a health coach, and as you know, I host this group PTSD and Real Life, bringing you information in order to help you with your PTSD and anxiety. So one of the posts I made this morning was, or last night, sorry, was about meditation. So, and I didn't realize how easy it could be. I wanted to take the mystery out of the meditation. We talk about it a lot as health coaches, practitioners, therapists. Everybody says use meditation, use meditation. But I guess the other side of that coin is for people like myself who we do it and use it, we forget that other people don't know how to get started. So it can literally be as simple as just sitting down. If you're in your car and you're parked, car's off, let's not be driving and doing this. If you're sitting at your desk, if you have 3 minutes, 1 minute, 5 minutes, whatever the time frame, if you're unsure about what to do, start small, always. I've had clients where I start them with 1 minute. Okay, there's a great app. I've got two. It's not what I wanted. There we go. So I've got two. I have a meditation app that just gives you music, and I actually use that when I'm doing my yoga. So I'll put the music on, and it is literally just meditation music. So you can get that through Play, like Apple Store. I have an Android, so the iPlay Store or whatever the thing is. The other one is called Insight Timer. I've posted this before. So Insight Timer, you can sign up, you register, it's free. You can put in how long you want, 1 minute to 90 minutes. You can put in guided or not. You can have different things like, affirmations that are in there if you want to hear that. If something that you want is more positive, you want to have a better outcome, that's fine. I've also posted in this group some different meditations with beta tones off of YouTube. They're in the links. You just check out the stuff that I've, like videos in the events or whatever. So the easiest thing to get started with meditation, let's take the mystery out of it. It's really all you're doing is stopping. All you're going to do is breathe and focus on the breath going in and out of your body. That's it. That's your meditation. Sorry, excuse me. So when you want to do that, I always do my meditation lying down. Like I'm busy. I work out a lot. I train a lot. I demonstrate a lot. I'm tired. So when I want to do my meditation, I don't want to be sitting there. I want to just be calm, lying flat, put a pillow under my head. I'll put my legs like a pillow under my knees, so I'm really, really comfortable. Ideally, guys, if you're meditating and you're focusing internally, you want to be as comfortable as possible. The idea behind meditation is not to clear your mind. Everybody has that misconception, and they feel, oh, I have to clear my mind. I have to clear my thoughts. It's virtually impossible, actually. It takes a lot of work. The idea is to allow the thoughts to come in and flow out. That's it. You may have the same thought flow in, flow out, over and over and over again, especially if something's bothering you. So you're just prioritizing what you're doing. Breathing in, into the belly, and breathing out. And the thought comes in, the thought's going to go out. And that's okay, right? It's not about, I have to sit in a certain spot, I have to sit in a certain way, I have to hold my hands a certain way. You can just sit quietly, cross your hands, sit on the couch, close your eyes, just breathe. Just breathe. And again. And over time, that breath's going to slow down. It's going to be less forced. You're going to just breathe in through your nose, out through the nose. If there's something that's bothering you and you're sitting there feeling, and you slow down long enough and say, there's a part of your body, say your knee hurts, your elbow hurts, your back hurts, just focus on that. Breathe into that area. As in, the air's not going there, but your thought is. Like, allow whatever it is that's hurting, just focus on that. And then just let the body relax. The idea is to breathe. The idea is to slow down. And the idea is to slow down long enough to bring your stress levels down. That's it. No big mystery. I know for some it is, and I shouldn't say no big mystery. A lot of people don't understand how to get started. I suggest usually 1 to 3 minutes to get started. My longest meditation has been probably minutes. But even then, that's because I had the time, and I had some other stuff that was going on. I find when I'm in a very, very high stressful state that my meditations are short. They're frequent, like 2 or 3 times a day, but they're short because I just can't get calm enough to get into a full meditation when I'm in a very, very high stress state. So that's also, I guess, a misconception that people are like, oh my God, I'm so stressed, I should meditate for an hour. It's probably going to be very, very difficult. And if you're really, really stressed out, twice a day, take 1 minute, 3 or 4 times a day. That's it. Do what works within your capabilities. And over time, that's all you're looking to is for everything to slow down, blood pressure comes down, allow yourself to feel the body, allow yourself to kind of focus on what's going on. When we're in a high stress state, we're always running around in a circle trying to find an answer. And sometimes you need to stop and just think about it and just calmly focus on what's going where, and then you'll be able to find an answer. So guys, I hope a little bit when I'm taking the mystery out of the meditation. If you have any questions, as always, post below. If you have any comments, something to add to help to the group, please do that as well. I know we're all in a big heightened alert position at this point. Let's try to stay focused and focus on what you need to do to stay safe, stay calm, and stress-free. So guys, if you're just tuning in, thank you. And if you're catching this on the replay, please place an R below. And again, I hope this helps you a little bit, taking the mystery out of the meditation, and it encourages you to give it a try going forward. On that note, guys, have a fabulous Saturday afternoon, and we will see you later.